Hello everyone, welcome to Aptech Knowledge. This is Yamin and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a presentation in my Microsoft PowerPoint. So after you watch this full video, you will be able to make your own presentation. I will talk about all the basic and the advanced things of Microsoft PowerPoint. So once you open the Microsoft PowerPoint, you will see a blank page like this. And here you can see a lot of option over here. This option is the one that we normally have to use for creating a presentation, and you can see over here a lot of menu over here: insert, design, animation, a lot of option over here as well. I will talk about all of them in this tutorial. So over here you can see click to add title, click to add subtitle. So first we are going to add a title over here. Let's over here PowerPoint tutorial, and let's say the subtitle will be this is a tutorial. Okay, so our first slide is done. We have a title and a subtitle, but it doesn't look really great, right? It's just a very basic. So let's just modify it a little bit. Let's first just change this writing over here. You can like choose the writing color over here. So let's make this red. Okay, so and also let's change this page design as well. So for it we need to go over here, design, click design, and you can see a lot of design over here. You can any design, you can choose any design you want from here. Okay, so let's just choose a basic one, just click it, and the design is applied. Now here you can see a color option over here. If you click it, a lot of color you can see. You can like customize it, all the color over here. You can see create new theme color. You can create a new theme color for you as well. Okay, so let's just choose a different one. So now if you want to create another slide, again you just have to go to home, and over here you can see new slide option over here. If you click it, it will create a default new slide. But if you just click over here, you can see a arrow sign. If you just click it, you can see a lot of variety of layout over here. Okay, so I'm just going to use this default one for now. Let's over here tutorial example. Let's change the color of this. Let's just make it blue, and let's also change its text size. For changing text size, you can just come over here. You can see a lot of text size over here. Okay, so let's just choose this one. Now let's just say over here something. Let's say plan and idea. Now while you are working in the middle of work, you think that you want to change this page layout, then you can just click on this over here, go over here and right click on your mouse, and you can see over here layout option, and you can change the design from here. Let's choose this one. If you just click it, you can see that our layout, page layout is changed. Okay, so let's just cut it from here and paste it over here. So let's say you want to add image in this slide. So you can just go to over here, insert, click insert, and you can see a picture option over here. If you just click it, and you can choose a picture from your desktop. Let's just choose a image. Let's choose this one and click insert. Okay, here you can see a image over here. Let me just resize it, and let's just have it over here. Now if you want another image, you can again go to insert, then click picture, and then choose another image. Let's choose this one and click insert. Okay, you are awesome. And let's resize it and place it over here. Okay, our basic PowerPoint presentation is ready right now. Now let's say you want to change the design of this page again while you are working, then you can do that as well. You can just again just go to design and then just choose the design you want from here. Let's just choose this one. This one looks great. Okay, we are able to change our design successfully. Now if we come over here, you can see a option like this, slideshow, right? If we click it, it will show a slide like this. So if you press enter or use space button or click it, the slide will change. Here you can see. So right now I am going to click ESC from the keyboard, and it's go back to its normal size. Now this is a like basic presentation that you can create using PowerPoint. Now if you want to add some animation over here in the image or in the text, then you have to go to over here animations. Just click it, and then you have to choose some text or image from here. Let's just choose this one, and if you come over here you can see animate, no animation. If you click this arrow sign, you can see fade in, then wipe and fly in over here. You can also click custom animation as well. If you click it, you can see something like this. You just have to click add effect and just choose anything you want, you like to use. Fly in. Okay, so this picture will fly in. On click, you can see over here start on click. You can choose different option as well. You can just try it out by yourself. So let's add animation for this image as well, or you can just let's just use a default from here, fade. Okay, or we can use wipe as well. So let's use wipe. And okay, let's now uh, mm, let's now just click this one, slideshow again. Okay, now I'm going to click on my mouse. Here you can see no image. If I click again, this image will appear, and if I click again this image will appear like this. So this is how you can add animation in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so and if you want to like create another presentation, just go over here, click it, and you can see a new option over here. Just click it and then just choose blank presentation, and if you click create, it will create another blank presentation. Okay, and if you want to save it again, you can see our option over here, Control S. If you click it, it will tell us to give it a name. Let's say PowerPoint example, and if you click save, it will save our PowerPoint. You can choose where you want to save your presentation. Okay, so this is how you can make your presentation in PowerPoint. I hope I was able to help you to create your presentation. And if you like this video, please like the video, and if you subscribe this channel, I really appreciate. And thank you very much for watching.